Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make steak healthy step by step. Start by choosing lean cuts and trimming visible fat to reduce calories and saturated fat. Pick top sirloin, flank, or tenderloin and avoid heavily marbled steaks. Consider portion control by selecting 4 to 6 ounce servings and use a food scale if helpful. These choices set a strong foundation for cooking methods that keep nutrition high and flavor intact. Marinades are a great way to add flavor without excess fat, so choose citrus, vinegar, herbs, or spices. Use a couple tablespoons of olive oil or yogurt occasionally to tenderize, but keep amounts small to control calories. Marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight to let flavors penetrate and reduce the need for heavy sauces. This approach boosts taste and preserves a healthier macro balance in every bite. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support more healthy cooking videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for kitchen timers, hands-free recipes, and great cooking music. It makes meal prep more fun. I find it handy while multitasking, and it pairs perfectly with a steak night playlist. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose cooking methods that minimize added fat and carcinogens, such as grilling, broiling, or quick pan-searing. Use a meat thermometer to hit the right internal temperature without charring or overcooking. Avoid deep frying and long, high-heat exposure that can form harmful compounds. Let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes to redistribute juices and keep it tender. Pair with vegetables or whole grains for a balanced, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.